Hello, welcome back to Hemma Candles. So one of our favorites is finally back in stock. This is the Peppermint Foot Renewal Kit. So in the kit, you get a 4-ounce foot scrub. You get a 4-ounce foot lotion. And I also carry a larger 6-ounce jar of the Peppermint Foot Lotion, because I find that people are needing more after they purchase the kit. So there's an option for that. And then you also get a scrubber. So the scrubber is good like for rough feet, calluses, even tired feet after long days. So you scrub in the shower, dry your feet, and then apply your lotion. The peppermint gives the feelings of cooling, refreshing, and restoring. So you can grab the lotion by itself, but together you get the full foot care routine. Thank you.